So I think one other thing to emphasize while we meditate on this is to, maybe take an honest look at the bold claims made about prayer and asking God for what you need here, and then how that can be difficult to square with our lived experience sometimes, for some people.
Yeah.
It's just good to acknowledge that.
Because I can ask God for wisdom and then still be confused.
Yeah. I remember being in youth ministry at Skate Church. I've only been a Christian a few years at this point, and I remember they led a junior high Bible study for junior high skateboarders. That was my first Bible teaching role, junior high skateboarders. And I remember reading James. We went through James because what's so